Hi, this is Mohsin. I'm here to explain about the program in the Java programming to display third largest element within the array. So first of all, within the main method, I have declared a scanner class and I'm getting input from the user, the range that is stored in the variable called n, and a array is initialized. Based on the range, the array size will be created. And here is the for loop to get input from the user, the array values within array to store within the array. And here is a one more for loop to print the original array. For we have to keep in mind that to iterate the array and to print the array, we have to use a for loop. Using a for loop, each and array values will be printed in a array format. And here is one more for loop, two for loops here, and a conditional statement. Here is where the logic works because to find the third largest element in the array, we have to iterate with two loops. For example, starting with I initialized I is equal to 0 and the one more loop that is j I plus 1. How this loop runs? For example, if let I run this program and show with an example here. Yeah, I'm going to enter a range here. So 5. And now it's asking me to enter the values of the array. So the values of the array will be like randomly I give it as 3, 8, 2, 7, 4. Yeah, I got the output, the original array. Using this for loop, I have iterated through it and I got the original array. So what happens here within these two for loops? Here I is initialized as 0. So I will be in this position. That is, I'm sorry, it will take from this original array. After all this operation is being done, here the result will be like this. So here, yeah, I will be in this position and j will be plus 1. That is plus for 1 of the ith position. So I is in this position and j will be in this position. So both these elements will be compared. So array of I, we should check that if array of I is greater than array of j. So if it is greater, here with the temp variable, we assign array of I value to temp variable and the array of j value to array of I. That is, if we assign this value to temp variable, now this value will be empty. So to fill this value, we use array of j. That is, array of j will be stored in array of I. Then again, the temp value will be put into array of j. After assigning with all these variables, this array of I will be empty. So again, so we take array of j and put it in array of I. So that again array of j will be empty. So again temp variable values put it in array of j. So in that way, for each and every positions, it will be compared with two of the digits within the array. So that here we get the format from ascending order, that is from smaller to bigger. It has arranged using this logic. We have attained a solution like it has given us in the ascending order. So within in this ascending orders array, it is easy for us to find the third largest element. So manually, how can we find the third largest element from this original array? Like which is the largest element first? 7 is the largest element. Sorry, 8 is the largest element, first largest element. 7 is the second largest element, and 4 will be as the third largest element, and 3 will be the fourth largest element, and 2 will be the last. So 8 will be the first, 7 will be second, and 4 will be third. So how can we get the third largest element? So again, there should be a loop so that we can iterate it. And what should be printed? Like array dot length. What is the length of the array? Here 5. So 5 minus 3 will be 2. Here the value will be, so here it is a slight difference here. Array of uh, again a square bracket within that array dot length. So what will be the output is array length is how much? 5. We are minusing with 3. So 3. So what will be the value here? It will become as array of 2. So what is array of 2 here? So this is 0 position, first position, and this is the second position. So array of 2 will be, the value will be 4. Here we have attained the value as uh, 4, which is the third largest element in the array. So that's it about this Java programming. Uh, there is a slight logic to be used here so that it will be easy to attain the program. So that's it. Thank you.